Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing the details of our social mobilization and marketing project titled I Like to Move It, focusing on my contribution to this project. We began by conducting several meetings to discuss and decide on our project's focus. After careful planning and deliberation, we chose to promote increased physical activity, recognizing it as crucial for improving health outcomes. In the pre-launch phase, my initial task was to help create a survey to understand our target audience better. This survey was disseminated through social media platforms and emails, aiming to gather baseline data on their physical activity levels and perceptions. In the implementation phase, we created a Facebook group called I Like to Move It Virtual Community. We invited our target audience, UPOU students enrolled in DevC 208 2023-2024 second semester through email, direct messages, and group chats. Next is we move on to content creation and dissemination. I was responsible for designing a video and infographics with practical tips on increasing physical activity. Some key tips included get up and walk during TV commercials, stand or walk when on the phone. Another is do push-ups against the kitchen counter, then take the stairs instead of the elevator and park further from entrances and stand up at work. Reflecting on our project, here are some recommendations or some additions that I would do if given a chance to conduct this project again. First is I will include diverse formats like live sessions and podcasting. These live sessions and podcasts, I believe, create a sense of community and also provides the target audience with content that they can consume on the go. Another addition that I would do is encourage user generated content, motivating members to share their own physical activity, success stories, and motivational tips. And I believe this will promote a sense of ownership and sense of community. Another content that I would include is a live Q&A sessions with fitness experts. This provides personalized advice and build trust in or within the community. By implementing these improvements, future iterations of this project, I believe, will achieve greater engagement, more meaningful interactions, and larger impact on the promotion of physical activity. Again, thank you for listening, and let's continue to move it, move it.